Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel today. I hope everyone had a great weekend. Today we're just going to jump right back in it where we left off with our fantasy realism painting. And as you can see here, I'm actually just kind of diving in to where the one of my principal figures of the painting, which is my Pegasus flying horse figure. And so, yeah, I'm just kind of just diving in with the paint. And this is going to be a white horse, flying horse in all its glory with hair just kind of blowing in the wind, that sort of thing. And so, yeah, I really decided I wanted to go with white. The references that I'm using for this horse is, well, I'm using a few references. My primary reference is our horse, Royal, who is an Arabian horse, but he is a dark brown chestnut color. And so I'm just using another couple of other photo references of white Arabian horses. And as you can see here, yeah, that is where I'm just kind of placing in the paint. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit of a history of me painting animals, mythological figures. It actually, I haven't done too much painting of animals. Not to say that I haven't, but I have, and versus the ratio of me painting people, I've painted people far much more than I have animals. But I'm actually, I will tell you, I'm very when I do paint animals, I'm very comfortable in painting them, and I finish rather quickly with them. I don't take too long with them. It's just a natural organic thing that happens when I paint animals. So with this white Arabic horse that I'm actually going to be painting, because I really wanted to take care in looking very careful out the snout. Arabian horses, if any of you are horse lovers out there, or if you know a lot about Arabian horses, or you have Arabian horses yourself, you know that the snout actually, when it comes to the before it comes to the tip of the snout, it goes inward and then out again. And if it actually reminds me, my husband and I were talking about this a few months ago, when we first when Royal or Royal Guardian came to us, that Arabian horses, their snouts really they're very reminiscent to that of seahorses. They have this very ethereal, very exquisite ethereal look to them that it's just really beautiful, really amazing, and it's very poignant. So I really wanted to, as the painting progresses on, and you'll see with this, it gets into the deeper level of the painting and taking form, you'll see that really pronounced dip at the snout, where most of all of the Arabian horses, that's their signature characteristic that they have. And so I'm going to enjoy doing that, painting that. I will tell you that for right now, what I'm doing right now, I'm just this white. The background of this, if you've actually not had a chance to see my previous videos, it's going to be, part 1 and 2 of the realism painting. I just invite you to do that, because you'll be able to see where I started off with the background, and I explain a lot of people would just ask, why bother painting a background? Just going to cover it up. And I go into explanation, expliquer la information, that the depth and the dimensionality that it takes when you do paint and glaze, you have that background as a foundation. and it creates these really wonderful glazing, blending formations that take place, as you can see here. Because as I'm using white, titanium white paint, and you can see that it's really finally taking form. So I'm going to be ending this video to here in just a bit. This is my the continuation for this, and I look forward to seeing you next time for the next video. We'll be talking more about that. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.
Hi, thanks guys for stopping by and seeing my wonderful, awesome tutorials. I hope to see you guys again. Thank you for liking, subscribing my channel and the videos. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also there's my official website at Zenkiea.com. If you want to buy any type of new art deals, any drawings, paintings, they're all there for you to see. It will follow you over there. Just follow it over to the square.com website where you can actually buy and make purchases of everything. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bye. Peace out.